Hi and welcome to Hands-On Education. In this video, we will look at the Winter Olympics. The Winter Olympics is an international sporting event which takes place every 4 years. All the sports take place on snow and ice. The first official Winter Olympic Games took place 28 years after the modern Olympics began. Prior to this, the Nordic Games had hosted winter sporting events for Scandinavian countries. In 1901, Sweden hosted the first international competition involving winter sports. In 1908, figure skating was included in the Olympic Games in London. However, the event didn't take place until 3 months after the other events had finished. The first Winter Olympic Games took place in 1924 in France. 250 athletes from 16 countries took part in 16 events. In the first Winter Games, women were only allowed to compete in figure skating. Only 11 female athletes took part in the first Winter Olympics. The first Winter Games included curling, speed skating, figure skating, ice hockey, and cross-country skiing. More winter sporting events have been added over the years to include more extreme sports such as snowboarding and freestyle skiing. The first official Paralympic Winter Games took place in Sweden in 1976. 198 athletes from 16 countries took part in these games. With the aid of technology, disabled athletes were able to competitively access winter sports including alpine and Nordic skiing for amputees and visually impaired athletes. This was the first time athletes with impairments other than wheelchair athletes could compete. Although smaller than the Summer Games, the Winter Games has grown significantly since the first official competition in 1924. In 2018, 2,800 athletes competed in 102 winter sporting events. For your hands-on activity, create a timeline showing the order of events shaping the Winter Games. You can also identify the different winter sporting events. For more information about this activity and more activities related to this topic, please go to handsoneducation.com Olympics. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and we will see you soon. Bye!